guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. So the title is telling you that we are doing a living room deep clean today. This is going to be part one of my mini deep cleaning series that I have going here on my channel. I'm just starting it today with this living room deep clean. Like I said in previous videos, we are getting ready to head down south for the winter time, so I really need to get my house into shape for us to leave. We have a busy schedule with Christmas coming up. We're going to be here for Christmas and then we're going to my parents' house, and then when we come back we need to go ahead and leave. So I'm starting to get my house all ready to go. My mom is going to be coming up and helping me after Christmas, just kind of organize and get rid of like all the food items that shouldn't be sitting and all of that stuff. So this is going to be part one. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it brings you tons of cleaning motivation. We're starting off over here in our little toy section. I do have a 1-year-old daughter and she has a ton of toys that take over my entire living room. So today we're going to go ahead and kind of declutter and organize those. I'm going to try and categorize the bins a little bit, get rid of some stuff. There was a lot of things in there that didn't need to be in there. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and also just get this little area ready for all of the new toys that she's going to be getting for Christmas. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Carlie. I'm so glad you're here. I post 3 times a week. I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle, DIYs, shop with me's, hauls, everything like that here on my channel. So if you guys enjoy videos like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Like I said, I have a 1-year-old daughter. I live in Pennsylvania with my husband. We have 2 dogs and we just kind of live life. He is a professional motocross racer, so right now this is our off season. Basically, we don't have much going on. I mean, the holidays and stuff, we do have things going on, but once January starts all the way until next September, we are in gear for the 2020 race season. So right now we're just kind of trying to keep it a little low-key. I've just been pretty much getting my house ready to head down south. We will be living in a travel trailer, so also be on the lookout for new content here on my channel. On this little shelving unit, I'm using the Method wood cleaner to just kind of wipe everything down. It really isn't too dirty in here. I mean, it gets dusty and stuff, but other than that, I just needed to do like a quick little wipe down. When we do come back home in the springtime, we are going to kind of convert not all of her toys, but the bigger ones to upstairs, because we do have a huge bonus room up there. So we're going to try to make that like a little playroom for her where all of these bigger toys can go up there. But for now, I just have them lined up against the sliding door, because in the wintertime, we obviously don't use that. But once spring and summertime comes, we are out on the deck a lot. We grill out there. Evelyn has a swing out there, and we're going to be getting some summer toys for her for Christmas. So we're going to need that space open. So I'm thinking when we come back, we will be doing like a transformation into like a playroom upstairs. as I was cleaning out those little bins over in the one corner, I was trying to take out all of the pieces that belonged to this little house. There has some like shapes and stuff that you put into the slots that had like little mail, and then the kitchen stuff I was trying to find as well. So a lot of that stuff I'm leaving out because when we go to play with these toys, we can never find what you're supposed to have to play with them. So that was good too that I did that. I didn't even realize that they were all missing. I'm not sure why that didn't click in my head where like all the kitchen food was and stuff, but I'm glad I took the time and got that all out. So next I'm going to go ahead and just give the couch a really nice vacuum. It kept falling on me, but I absolutely love this new vacuum that we got. I will try to link it down below. We got it off of Amazon. I think I have it on my Amazon store. I'm not sure. I will definitely link it though, because if you have pets, like I said, we have 2 German Shepherds, this works incredible to get all of the dog hair. I mean, like, it really picks it up. The first time we used it, my husband and I could not believe how much dog hair it sucked up, let alone how much dog hair there was sitting in our living room. But I definitely recommend this vacuum. Like I said, I will have it linked.
You will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. There's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart.
Next, we're going to move over here to our little fireplace area. My daughter had her sippy cup sitting inside of it. I thought that was hilarious. She was actually playing with it yesterday, and we're trying to teach her not to touch the fireplace. We never have it on, obviously, because she does not really quite understand not to touch it yet, but she's starting to learn. Now I'm just using the Method all-purpose cleaner to go ahead and wipe down the tile. This was actually really, really dirty. I'm glad I took the time to clean it up, and I kind of just flung all of the excess dirt that the rag wouldn't pick up onto the carpet because we're going to be vacuuming this area after this. Over here, moving over to the shelving unit that we have, and there was some random things in my basket for my blankets. There was a bunch of random stuff in there that I took out and just kind of organized down there, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Method wood cleaner to wipe off all of the shelves.
Up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So for this little mini deep clean series I have going on, we are going to be tackling my kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, and I think that is it. We might do Evelyn's room if I have time. Like I said, we don't have much time left before we leave, so as much as I can get done with deep cleaning, I really need to get our closet nice and clean for when we come back because it is absolutely destroyed right now. But the last thing I'm going to be doing today is just wiping off the fireplace, and I'm just using that Method all-purpose cleaner. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you tons of cleaning motivation. Let me know down below what area in your house you need to deep clean the most. Hopefully I can get you motivated and you can tackle it alongside of me. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!